The 2015 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, electronic stability control, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, tilt steering wheel, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, splash guards, black door handles, low tire pressure warning, power rear window sunshade, 4-piece floor mat set. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
So Zach, tell me, what do you like the most about the smart way to buy a pre-owned vehicle?
Well, I had no idea a dealer could sell a car that barely passed a state inspection is adequate. I mean, they only check two things. The tires and brakes are just adequate, not even good. I mean, what is that about?
What is that about? Why take chances? Your life and those of your loved ones should be more important than that. That's why we don't skimp on quality. All of our pre-owned vehicles go through at least a rigorous 150-point inspection, checking more than just brakes and tires.
The best thing I like about Smart Way to Pre-Own, besides the great price I got, is that I know I bought a good car.
Yeah, why should you worry if the odometer's been rolled back, or you're the victim of a salvaged or rebuilt vehicle, or worse, a washed title? We give you the certified paperwork, along with the Carfax and the title history, providing you with the peace of mind that your certified pre-owned is as good as new. If you like surprises, tell your entourage to have a surprise party for you after your purchase with us. We really don't want to, again, skimp on any of those little things that need to be checked out about your certified pre-owned vehicle. We want to make it as good as new, and that's why it's the smarter way to buy your pre-owned vehicle.
A buddy on my Facebook page bought a car. It was flooded in Katrina and had no idea. I've already told him that purchasing a certified vehicle here is the way to go.